My biggest issue with how law enforcement is approached in South Africa is this. Too often, it doesn't feel like the goal is to change behavior or make people safer. It feels transactional. Now, I'm not talking about everyone. There are professional, decent officers out there. But a noticeable portion of enforcement seems driven by revenue, bribes, or simply flexing authority. And that's a culture problem. Ask yourself this: when you see a roadblock or a traffic officer, do you feel safer, or is there immediate tension? If you're dodging responsibility because you haven't settled fines, that's on you. But for many law-abiding drivers, the negative reaction comes from how enforcement is handled. Real enforcement should work like good teaching. If your goal is only punishment, you'll get fear, not change. But if the intention is to guide, educate, and correct behavior, then you actually stand a chance of making roads safer. That's the shift South Africa needs. Stay safe, stay streetwise, and remember to like and follow.